How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to talk about weight loss if you are struggling step by step. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. So when people try to lose weight, what they do is they research all this information. They usually come up with track your calories, eat less calories, eat healthy food, stuff like that. Now, the issue with that is not every single day you're gonna require the same amount of calories. There are some days where let's say you need 3,000 calories to maintain your weight, so you eat 2,500 calories, right? Now every single day you're eating 2,500 calories. Now that's just a round estimate. Some days, if you're more active, you might actually need 3,000 calories or 3,500 calories or even 4,000 calories. You can't always just go based off calories. Calories is a good start, it's a good tool, but it should just be used as that, as a tool. If you are struggling, you're starving, you're not doing it right. Like, you should never be starving when you're trying to lose weight. So, what are some things that you can do? Some tips that you can do to lose weight that makes weight loss enjoyable. The main thing that I'm going to tell you that helped my clients lose 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 pounds in a month or two, not tracking their calories, it was just removing added sugar from their diet. So if you look at the coffee I'm drinking, it's black. I don't drink coffee with sugar or cream in it. The main culprit for added sugar is actually coffee. Like, everyone drinks coffee and everyone has sugar or cream in their coffee. Some people drink it black, but most people have they go to these fancy coffee shops and they get these $6 or $7 coffees that just loaded with sugar and cream. Yeah, that's why they taste amazing, because of all the sugar and the cream. Start drinking your coffee black. No more pop. Don't drink Pepsi, stuff like that. Don't drink that. No more pop. Don't eat candy. Don't eat sugar. No baked goods. Baked goods are terrible for sugar. No cookies, no chocolate, nothing like that. The minute you remove added sugar from your diet, the weight just like melts off. That's the number one thing I recommend you do. Don't track your calories, don't do anything, just remove the added sugar from your diet. You can eat anything you want as long as there's not added sugar in it. So a lot of protein, a lot of meat, you can eat all that. Eat whatever you want for that, but don't eat the added sugar. End of video. Thank you so much for watching.